Greetings, Irina Lyamshina here. In this video I would like to share with you my recipe on how I clean the brushes after working with acrylic paints. Let's say we have painted a beautiful picture. Everything is great. We washed the brush with running water, but in order to finally clean the brush, this is not enough. Acrylic paint are between the hairs of the brush. There the paint dries and turns into insoluble pieces. This deteriorates the brush. Unlike water-soluble gouache and watercolors, once the acrylic dries, it cannot be transferred back to a liquid state. It is very important to rinse the brush thoroughly. I am offering you simple things that are available in stores. This is a laundry soap with the whitening effect and the silicone sponge. This sponge has small silicone bristles. They are soft. This sponge is designed for dishwashing. Sponge and soap are cheap. I lather a damp brush with soap. You can see how the soap turns blue. See, foam on the tassel is blue. With these movements, we can clean the brush. Silicone bristles help to get paint out of the brush, foaming soap. Let's wash the brush in water. You can see that the brush has become lighter. We can repeat the procedure. Lather up the brush. There is less blue paint. Let's do some more work on the cleanliness of the brush. Each time there is less and less paint. Let's see if there is still blue. You see, the paint has ceased to stand out. White foam is visible, so they cleaned it well. Let's do the procedure one last time. You can see the sponge no longer turns blue. All that messy foam is easily washed off the sponge. I emphasize again that the bristles are soft here. I think that this way of cleaning the brush will allow you to maintain the working properties of the brush longer. Less paint will remain between the hairs of the brush. I repeat once again that silicone sponge and laundry soap are cheap products. Hope you find something new for yourself. Good luck!